Hello everyone, our today's topic is object drawing and subtopic is coconut. Let's see the material required for the drawing. Pencil, eraser, long scale, poster colors, brushes, palette, 1/4 size drawing paper. First we are going to draw 1 centimeter borderline to a page, write down the heading and today's date. We are going to draw two objects here, one full coconut and one half coconut. First we have to draw full coconut. For that we draw one oval shape, then develop oval shape into the coconut shape. You can see here this is a simple drawing. Then we are draw one oval for the upper part of the half coconut and semi oval for the lower part of the coconut. Now we are going to finalize this drawing with the 2B pencil. First you have to draw on a drawing very lightly with the 2B pencil only, but afterward when you finalize this drawing you darken with the 2B pencil. Now we take on a yellow ochre color as a base tone for the coconut and add some brown color to show a dimensions. The lights come from the left hand side part, that's why dark shade should be on a lower part and on a right hand side part. Now we merge with the water so that we get some gradations also. Now with the 2 number brush or the 1 number brush we are going to draw on the lines here with the darken colors of the brown. You can take burnt sienna plus slight amount of green color to make a darken brown color, and if you want a more dark tone of the brown you can add Persian blue also so that you get a darken shades of the brown, which is also known as a burnt umber. On upper pointed part we show on the shades because it's on opposite sides of the light, as well as it has a bunch of the threads of the coconuts, which is also called Nalacha Kathya in Marathi, and that's why we make some lines on a coconut so that we can show these threads. Now this is on a second tone of the dark. If you want to add more dark tones you can add Persian blue color in it. Also you need to add some light threads also. For that you add some white color in the brown and draw some threads. Here is our shadow. For that I am using a Persian blue plus brown combinations and merge with the water so that we can show an object, keep it on a surface, and it has a shadow on a lower surface. That much work you required to do on a coconut. This is a basic assignments for the elementary intermediate grade examination. Those are want to learn on objects. This is a first object that we taught for the elementary students so that they understand the dimensions and the colors. Inner part of the coconut is white and also it has a depth in the inner part that we are going to show you here with the darkened tones of the blue, and here we use a white color because it's on a white surface inside. Now same procedure we are using here on the outer surface of the coconut, yellow ochre brown combinations, and for the threads we draw on the lines with the brush of the dark brown color, but the dimensions and the directions of the lines is on a down to up side, that we are going to see here how I am going to draw on the lines. Coconut shell has a dimension thickness, and that's we are going to show you with the border line with a dark brown color. You can see here I am showing a dark brown border line so that we can show a thickness of the shell. And now I am adding dark tones in a lower part of the coconut because lights come from the upper left hand side part and the lower part has a darkened shades. When you draw on the lines, be careful. The lines should be properly down to upside. If you want to change an angle of the paper, you can turn a paper and draw these lines. Because I am showing in a demonstration here, I am unable to rotate on a paper here. You can able to rotate your paper with your convenience and makes on a drawing and colors on our drawings. Some threads lines I am showing on a backside also. Now this is our final step coloring for the half coconut. If you want to add some more details, more dimensions, you can add here with more dark tones and depth in a half coconut. But if you don't want to add, this is okay for the first object drawing. Here I am adding some dark tones on the lower part because the lights is come from the left hand side part and the right hand side part full on a shaded part, so the lower part of the coconut is look more darkened than the upper sides. Now this is our shadow. For that I am using a brown and Persian blue combination, which is we already done on a full coconut. This is our final step. I hope you understand this first object drawing of the coconut. Keep on practicing such kind of object drawing to sharpen your skills. Thank you. Best of luck.